Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So this is a tune-up series by Majorette, and this is a series 2, and so I really forgot what's inside this one. So let's unbox and see what is inside. So let me just show you the code once I open it. Okay. Okay, let me just show you the code, guys. So this is BK29. So currently I don't remember what's inside, but let's see. Okay, just throw this away. So this one has, okay, the stickering, which I'm never going to use. But I really like this stickering. Okay, there's nothing inside on this side. Okay, this one has the body kit. This is a bit huge, I think. Oh my god. Yeah. I think this one is Toyota Hiace, if I'm not wrong. Okay, let's see if I'm right or wrong. Yeah, I'm right. This is the Toyota Hiace. So this one is actually this, I think, the rare one, if I'm not wrong, because we do have Series 2's, yeah, Series 2's rare one again. Let's super rare, I guess. Yeah, this one is rare. We do have the super rare one, which is that manga themed one. So let me just look at the name. Hitasha, yeah, that's name of that particular one is Hitasha. So let's just put this one here. Okay, let's put on the body kit first. Okay, before that, let me just show you the casting, guys. So the casting looks really beautiful, and the paint job is really nice. So this one is a glittery green. So if you touch the surface of the paint here, and especially on the top, you can see some, I don't know if that is because, okay, there is some paint bubbles here. I think you guys can see it. So if you put it under direct light like this, you can able to see it, or else it is not visible. I'm really not sure if it is that just the paint bubbles or it is because of this sparkly green, that paint job. But the paint job looks really nice, and it has acrylics for headlights, which is my personal favorite, and the rear lights are actually, the tail lights are actually painted. The interior looks really nice. There's rear view mirrors as well. These are metal. Okay, this entire body is made of metal, and the chassis is made of plastic. So I'm pretty sure this one has suspension. Okay, it doesn't have. Okay, fine. Okay, let's put on the body kit and see how this one looks. Okay, just slaps on like that. So there is one more Toyota Hiace in Series 3, which is that Neon series. So we do have 3 Toyota Hiaces so far, and 2 we already unboxed on the channel. So here it is, the body kit. This looks okay, but I personally prefer that Hitasha one. Let me just show you that one as well. Let's just put all these things inside and take it away. So here is the Hitasha one, which I personally like, and there is one more. Let me just show you that as well. So here it is. So this one is from the Neon series, so I'm not aware of the name now. Okay, it is Full Moon. So this one is Full Moon, and this one is Hitasha, and this one is Hibiscus. It literally has a hibiscus here. So these are the 3 we are having. So I personally like these 2 body kits So these two are actually similar, nothing, there is only difference being the paint job, nothing much. But this one body kit is actually entirely different. Okay, let's keep this aside and do a roll test real quick. Just give me a second. Okay guys, I just put all those things aside. Let's do a roll test with this one now. Okay, it is smooth but it doesn't roll really well. Both wheel has a lot of wheel wobble, as you can see here. It doesn't roll really well. Okay. No. You are just going to put this in the display and that's it. You need to forget it. It just looks really cool and that's it. So that's it for today guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.